Hello everyone. I welcome you all to ATM Creations. Let's begin today's challenge. In today's video, I want to discuss about a habit which you can follow to be super positive all day. And this is the habit which I personally follow too. And that is wake up every single morning, and when you keep your foot down, one foot after the other, say thank you for being alive. How many of us in this world go to sleep and get up alive? We are hearing a lot of incidences, no? Oh, this person went to sleep peacefully but did not get up at all. So we have gotten up, we are alive, and we have potential to make the day wonderful and amazing. Thank you for being alive. That's the first thing that I personally do. When you sincerely feel the gratitude, and say thank you, the universe is going to give you opportunities that particular day. And when that is coupled with your action, that will definitely make your day amazing. And there are people who ask, rather, that is only for people who are presented with opportunities. What if there are no opportunities at all? There are people who ask me like that. And if any of you have such questions, my response is universe presents everybody, every single person with opportunities every single day. And to people who tell me that universe doesn't present me with opportunities, maybe it is presenting you with opportunities. I always tell them, no, universe is impartial. It doesn't show partiality with people. It treats everybody equal. Universe does present everybody, every single person on this planet with opportunities that matches their potential. And then when I said this, the person who was questioning me about the universe presenting opportunities, so she asked, Radha, if universe is presenting everybody with opportunity, then why not everybody are successful? Then why not everybody are healthy, wealthy, prosperous? Why not everybody are able to attract whatever they want to? I said, that's an amazing question. I definitely have an answer. I'm going to tell you. I don't know if this example is going to suit whatever I'm talking about, but anyway, let me go ahead and tell you. See, let's say you are going out for some reason, and these days in every single road there are multiple restaurants. And as you move around, only if you are hungry, you will be noticing the restaurants, right? Only if you are hungry. Got the point? Let's say you ate stomach full and then you're going out, or for some reason you're not hungry. So, in that case, when you go out, do you think you would be noticing the restaurants around? Not with extreme focus, right? Okay. Now, if you don't notice the restaurants, does it mean the restaurants are not there at all? The answer is no, the restaurants are there, just that you did not notice it. Why? Because you are not hungry. And as I was telling this example, she understood, oh, yes, you're right, Radha. And she went on to give an example. She said, now I can understand. Let me give you an example. Now I'm not giving example, she was giving example. I said, go ahead and tell me. She said, we had a pair of plastic chairs at home, and for some reason, the chairs were broken. And I wanted to buy chairs actually. I was looking for some good quality chairs. Yes, rather on that particular day, I went out. I did not go out with an intention to buy chairs, but I went out for a different reason. And actually, I was using my two-wheeler and passing through a particular road. And suddenly, a furniture shop, I focused on a furniture shop. And I did not stop. I went on to complete the task for which I stepped out of my home. I finished the task, came back home, sat, and I was thinking how many times I would have passed through that road. I've never noticed this furniture shop in that particular place. And that furniture shop did not appear all of a sudden at the moment when I wanted chairs. It was there since long, but I noticed it when I really wanted it. And what happened that day? And after coming home, I had few other house chores. I finished it, and then I went back to the. This time I stepped out with the purpose of buying chairs, and I went out. I bought chairs. And whatever you're saying is so right, Radha. That furniture shop was there since many years, but I noticed it only when I wanted. So I think opportunities are also like that. I just gave her a smile and said, yes, that is how it works. And now she wanted to decode what exactly happened. I said, how come Radha on that particular day alone I noticed that furniture shop? What exactly you think I did to notice that furniture shop that day? And I said, nothing. It was an intense need for you to buy the chair. And when those chairs got broken, you actually thought in your mind, this is the exact type of chair that I want back. Maybe you thought about it only for a few seconds, but it was so intense that you were very clear about this is the color of the chair that I want, this is the type of chair that I want. Were you clear about it? She said yes, because those chairs were broken. Obviously, you could not use it at home. Were you facing any difficulties? She said yes, a lot of difficulties. And I was also thinking I need to replace the chairs so that I would not be going through any of these difficulties. Okay, so basically, two things. You knew what you wanted, and you also knew why you wanted it. There are two things. She said yes. That is all about it. When you know what exactly you want And when you also know why exactly you want it, trust me, universe will present opportunities for you to make it happen. And when you are clear about what do you want and why do you want, when the universe presents the opportunity, you will be able to grab the opportunity immediately. That is how most of the successful people have succeeded in their life. And then her next question was, okay, how do I gain that clarity? That's a good question. An answer to that question is you need to go through the goal setting process that I normally teach people as a part of life coaching. And that's how I got a new client for my life coaching stuff. And then, as I was guiding her through her goals, and there's a lot of process that needs to be followed, and I was guiding her step by step. She was religiously following all that I told her. As she was going through the process, she said, "Oh my God, Radha, what I find is there are plenty of opportunities more than what I could ever ask for. I don't know, so far I have been missing all those opportunities. But now, me being aware with your guidance, I'm not going to miss any single opportunity going forward. I'm going to grab every single opportunity. And yes, Radha, what you said is right. Universe is not partial to people. Universe presents opportunity to every single human being on this planet. Now go to the comment section of this video and do let me know your thoughts about the message I shared. Mandala for this challenge is done. Now go ahead, recreate it, share it with me.